In this video, we will show how to import images within the web portal. Images are used to help users identify a product or department within the browser on the register. You can add these manually within the web portal. However, if you have multiple images to add, you can now import these en masse to help save time. The process is the same if you are importing department or product images. For this video, we will import product images. To import department images, you will complete the same process but from the departments area of the web portal. First, you will need to prepare your images. The web portal supports both PNG and JPEG file types. Each image needs to have a file name that matches the relevant SKU of a product. For example, the image of my Haribo Star Mix product would need to have a file name of sweets0003.png, as this matches the product SKU of sweets0003. After preparing your images, log into the web portal and navigate to the appropriate area. In this case, we are going to click Stock and then Products. To import the product images, click the Import button, followed by Import Images. Now, click the button to launch the Open window. Navigate to the location on your machine where your images are located. Select the appropriate files and click Open. The web portal will first check the files to ensure they are the correct file type. When ready, tap the Import button to start the import. After the import has completed, tap the Close button. All you need to do now is click the Update Data button on the Register login screen to receive the changes. Further information on product images can also be found in your user manual, and if you still have any questions, please contact your support provider, whose details can be found on the Register menu or in the web portal.